Buying a house too early can trap your wealth before it grows. Your savings don't grow when most money is tied up in a house. Taking a house too early often leads to mounting debt. Buying a house early stops you from investing in bigger opportunities. Money flows into your house instead of growing your wealth. Early house buyers often feel stressed managing mortgages.
Investing instead of buying a house early can grow your wealth faster.
House value grows slowly, sometimes not faster than inflation. Buying early can postpone your other financial dreams. Unexpected maintenance can drain wealth faster than you think.
Many early buyers feel trapped in an endless mortgage cycle.
Inflation can erode your savings when funds are tied up in a house. Your finances become rigid and inflexible with an early house. Early house buyers miss out on higher investment returns. Early house buying can cause continuous emotional stress. Buying a house too early restricts your ability to enjoy life. Hidden fees and taxes add unexpected costs to your house. Your wealth grows very slowly when tied up in a house. Investing in stocks can grow your wealth faster than buying a house early.
Buying a house too early may lead to long-term regret as life passes by.
Buying a house too early can stop you from enjoying vacations and leisure. Buying a house too soon can delay starting your own business. Unexpected house repairs can drain your savings quickly. Your friends enjoy life while your money is stuck in a house.
Sometimes house value grows slower than inflation.
Investing in stocks can grow your wealth faster than early house buying. Early house purchase limits your ability to enjoy hobbies. Early house buyers face ongoing emotional burden and stress. Your wealth stagnates when most funds are tied up in a house. Buying a house too early can trap your wealth, limit opportunities, and cause stress. Plan wisely.